In a kitchen, precision meets charm with the Chef Aid pastry cutters set of 3. These crinkled round cutters come in 6.5 centimeters, 5.5 centimeters, and 4.5 centimeters, making light work of pastry, biscuits, cookies, fondant icing, and mini tarts. Crafted from stainless steel, they deliver a clean, crisp edge every time, and are simple to wash by hand to keep them pristine for countless bakes. You've got the link in the description and the pinned comment. Delight in Easter with our 4-piece cookie cutter set, crafted in sturdy stainless steel for real food safety and easy cleaning. Create perfect eggs, rabbit faces, bunnies, and chicks that bring your biscuits, pancakes, and even fondant to life, from breakfast to party treats. The generous sizes double as molds for dough, fruit, cheese, and more, making entertaining effortless and fun for the whole family. You've got the purchase link in the description and the comment. Brighten up your baking with our 5-piece flour cookie cutters, crafted from rust-resistant stainless steel and designed to last. Nesting in 5 sizes, they glide through dough with neat, non-stick edges, delivering flawless molds for cookies, fondant, or clay. Perfect for Christmas, birthdays, Easter, or a playful baking session with the kids. They're easy to clean and store. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Cheerlesson's 5-piece cookie cutter set brings professional precision to every bake. Made of stainless steel, they keep their shape, are easy to clean and dishwasher safe, with comfortable arched handles for smooth cutting. The 5 sizes, ranging from 4 to 8 centimeters in diameter, let you craft perfect biscuits, scones, and fondant circles with no sharp edges. Practical ring keeps them together after bustling bake day. You've got the purchase link, description, and the pinned comment. In a kitchen where creativity rises, Tala's reversible pastry and cookie cutters make light work of beautiful baking. Double-edged for both fluted and straight cuts, they transform pastry, cookie dough, biscuits, and scones into eye-catching shapes in 6 handy sizes from 48 to 98 millimeters. Dishwasher safe, BPA free, and trusted since 1899, these cutters bring versatility, durability, and touch of professional flair to bake. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Indulge your cake decorating with the Mesmerizer Cookie Cutter Pack of 26, a vibrant aqua blue set that lets you cut or emboss fondant into bold capital letters for stunning greetings. Crafted from food-grade plastic, these easy-to-clean stamps and cutters bring a hands-on, keepsake quality to parties, weddings, and everyday treats. Safe, durable, and perfect for fondant, a petal paste, or clay, they turn ordinary icing into memorable messages. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. This Eid Mubarak cookie cutter set brings 8 delightful shapes to your baking, from mosques to lanterns and stars, turning dough into festive works of art with ease. Crafted from food-grade plastic, these pressable molds slice, stamp, and decorate in 3 simple steps, making it perfect for Eid parties, pancakes, fondant, and cookies. Each cutter measures roughly 1.5 to 2.5 inches for versatile use. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment.